For the repair of the Hyundai HGN08 air circuit breaker, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electromechanical components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add a 220-volt AC power supply. At first, we trip the breaker manually. Then, we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. Next, we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. And lastly, we perform a long time delay test and the breaker trips after about 40 seconds. It is now clear that the breaker is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.